Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jesus and this is Weirdo Beauty. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to get these easy matte black and gold triangle nails. The nail polish I'm using for this are the Long Lasting Base Coat by Holo Taco, the Peely Base Coat by Holo Taco, the One Coat Black Polish by Holo Taco, the Gold Holographic Sally Hansen Mega Strength Nail Glitter named Wildcard, the Matte Top Coat by Revlon, and the Super Glossy Taco by Holo Taco. If you're ready, let's get started with this tutorial. I always start off by applying my base coat. For 3 of my nails, I'll be applying the Long Lasting Base Coat since I'll be using nail vinyls later. And for the other 2, they will be accent nails, and I'm just applying my usual peel off base coat. For one accent nail, I'm applying the Gold Holographic Glitter Polish, and I'm first applying it normally with the polish brush. And usually with glitter polish, I like to apply it on a latex-free disposable makeup sponge so that the sponge absorbs the clear jelly that's in the polish, and it leaves just the glitter on top. If you want, you can apply liquid latex or a latex-free nail protector to protect the skin around your nail while dabbing on the glitter. But I like to apply the glitter to the very edge of the sponge and very carefully only dab the sponge around the perimeter of my nail so it's an easy cleanup. Once my nail is fully covered in glitter, I once again take the polish on the normal brush and apply it on top of the glitter so that it smooths out the bumpiness. Now for 4 of my nails, I'm painting them using my black nail polish. And here's a helpful tip. If you want full opacity with this polish, don't wipe off too much polish on the brush. And applying it gently over your nail will get that one coat coverage. And I absolutely love this polish. Once the black nails were dry, I apply the super glossy top coat to 3 of them so that I can prepare for nail vinyls. And I want the black polish to be fully sealed and dry. Now the nail vinyls I'll be using today are skinny striped vinyls, and I found these on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find them. I'll be using 2 stripes to form the triangle, and I want the point of the triangle to be by my cuticle, and the other end of the stripe should line up with the 2 edges of the nail. Now where I formed the triangle, I'm applying the Gold Holographic Glitter. First with the brush, then taking the glitter on a sponge again and carefully dabbing it onto the triangle section. Once I'm done using the sponge, I apply a final coat of the glitter with the normal brush to get a smooth surface. I then peeled off the nail vinyls immediately and revealed the gold triangle. With the matte top coat, I'm only applying it on the black accent nail and on the black sections of my other nail, since I want only the black polish to be matte. To finish off, I apply a coat of the super glossy top coat to the gold accent nail and to the gold triangles. Now, since the first layer of top coat soaks into the glitter to fill it in, so I always apply 2 layers of top coat to get the glitter nice and smooth. And this nail tutorial is complete. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I'll leave links to my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok if you'd like to follow me on there as well. I'll see you on the next one. Adios!